Whether it's your first day of being a woodworker and you don't even have tools yet, or you're an established woodworker looking to expand, it's time to create a website, and here's why. The first reason is a portfolio. A website is a digital storefront and can act as a portfolio for all of your products. By creating a website, you give visitors a place to see the work that you've done and the quality of work you perform. Not only does your website give potential customers a portfolio to view, it also can act as your personal portfolio. When you upload pictures of your products to your website, you reassure that your pictures are stored and all in one place. If you delete photos from your camera or lose photos from your phone, you still have them on your website. These pictures can be helpful when working on future products if you need to go back and reference a certain type of joinery or finish method that you used previously. Number 2, brand awareness. By having a woodworking business website, you now have a central location that you can drive traffic to. When someone asks where they can find you, you can give them your website name. Also, when optimized correctly, a good website can be found through online search, further advertising your business or woodworking brand. You can include links to your social media profiles or build videos. This will eventually get your name out to others and you will grow into becoming known online. Being found online is imperative in driving visitors and traffic, which could ultimately lead to generating sales and income from your woodworking projects. Lead generation. Lead generation is crucial to seeking and securing customers. You can generate leads within your website in a number of different ways. Email lists and social media links are the two that I have found to be the most successful. A simple email sign-up form on your website is a great way to capture email addresses and add them to your email list. Then you can send out email blasts with upcoming projects or in-project photos, tips and tricks that you learned from your recent project, and more. Sending an email on a regular basis will engage potential buyers and keep your brand at the forefront of their mind. However, never spam anyone. Don't oversend emails too often where the value of the email is reduced. Find the groove and routine that works for you and your brand and get started with email marketing to your followers and potential customers. I personally use MailChimp for sending emails and building lists, but Constant Contact is another great option. If you're new to building well-designed emails, you can find someone to do it for you and at very affordable rates. I personally use Fiverr.com, and I will leave a link to them down in the description. Connect with other craftsmen. Even though your website's primary purpose may be to showcase your work to potential and future buyers, it's also a great place to connect with other craftsmen and other woodworkers. Woodworkers are constantly online searching for inspiration for their next project or trying to figure out how someone else made a specific type of joinery. If you are in front of them with an awesome website, they might want to reach out to you in search of advice or paid gigs to collaborate with them on a future project. Never turn down the opportunity to connect with a like-minded individual who is interested as the same niche as you are. Next is pride. If you're like every other woodworker I know, including myself, then you enjoy seeing the final result of a project. You're good at what you do. You create amazing projects, so show them off. We already discussed the importance of a portfolio, but the sense of pride in finishing and posting a product to your website will inspire you and keep you motivated. Knowing that you can go back to your website at any time in the future and admire the work that you have finished will give you a sense of pride that will live inside your woodworking heart forever. So, if you haven't started a website yet, I have one question. Why not? You may be scared to start a site or hesitant because you don't know how big it will grow. That's fine, just start. Your site will continue to develop over time and eventually become as important to your woodworking business as any other asset that you own. If you need help in getting started with your website, check out Fiverr. Again, there's a link in the description. There's hundreds of people on there who are able to help you design and launch your site. Thank you for watching this video. Take care.